Yo, what up YouTube reacts? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. So you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, this is a second dock. If you guys don't know what it is, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. I'm expecting one more to come in the mail, and that's coming at the ending of this month. So let's get this out right here. There we go. Make sure no information is on this. Okay, so here we go. Get that out the way. There we go. All right, give me 1 second because there's music playing in the background and I don't want to get no copyright claim with any audio. TV is on. Okay, so there we go. Got this, and this. We already know what that is. This right here. Get this out. Here we go right here. Oh, and this is the second one right here. As you can see right there. Let's just get these out. This is just the cord, bracket, things like that. Cords and things. There we go. So we got one PCIe, another PCIe, another PCIe, which this is all bent up and everything like that. I don't know why they sent this to me. All bent. Got the Oculink right there. USB power cord and USB-C. And the brackets basically to hold the GPU and stand in place. So I'm gonna show you exactly what this is. So see this right here? It's basically this. It's that right there. Okay. Basically what it does is just holds your GPU so you can use it on your handhelds like your Legion Go 2, your ROG Allies, basically any handheld. You just connect it through a USB-C, plug it directly into your handheld, and that's it. And you can use your standard GPU like that. As you can see right here, I'm using a 3060. It's a 3060 OC, 12 gigabyte right here. Smaller card. I will be buying another GPU. I'm thinking about buying either a 5050, 5060, 5060 Ti, or another 5070 or 5070 Ti OC. I don't know which ones I'm gonna get. So yeah, once I get it, I will be putting it on here and playing on it. Because currently right here with this GPU, I could play at 1440p, maxed out halfway all the way out with the 12 gigabytes that I have at 1440p. Yeah, see my earlier video that I posted already, and that's basically showing you guys. All right, guys, it's your boy Easy, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.